Is bungee jumping safe? What's the science behind it? I jumped myself to find out. I'm literally sitting on the edge, and this is how beautiful it looks. You can see the distance. Yes, I'm scared, but I trust science. Multiple safety checks, weight check, harness right here, all clips locked, all international standards met. Now, the science. This cord is basically a giant elastic engine. It's made of hundreds of latex strands that stretch smoothly, like a control spring. Every strand absorbs force, so my body doesn't have to. Like I mentioned, they calculate everything: my weight, the height of the platform, and exactly how far this cord can stretch. And none of this is guesswork, it's pure physics. Newton's second law decides how fast I fall. The force of gravity pulling me down at 9.8 meters per second squared. Basically, I'm hurtling towards the ground about 10 meters per second faster every second.
Then Hooke's law. The more the cord stretches, the harder it pulls back. It's literally the rule that keeps the cord from snapping and her from touching the ground.
And energy conservation ties it all together. My potential energy turns into speed, and then that speed gets absorbed by the cord as elastic energy. Well, the entire goal? Let the cord stretch to its absolute safe limit, but never beyond it.
People don't realize there's a backup system in the cord that if the rubber ever snapped, we would have the backup system to keep you safe.
When I jump, gravity instantly accelerates me at 9.8 meters per second squared. My potential energy turns into speed, and for a few seconds, I'm literally in free fall. At the very bottom of the fall, my body will feel 3 to 5 Gs. Okay, in simple terms, that's like my body suddenly weighing 3 to 5 times heavier than normal for just one intense second. That pressure is the cord doing its job, pushing back against gravity and slowing me down safely, right before it lifts me back up. Then, the elastic energy pushes me back up. Every bounce becomes softer because the system is releasing energy as heat and stabilizing. The engineering is perfect, the calculations are exact. The only thing left is my fear.
3, 2, 1, bungee
And that was me, crying like a child because the fear was actually too real. Let me tell you, bungee jumping isn't about defeating fear. It's about trusting the math and discovering the moment your courage becomes stronger than gravity.